How to see who viewed your Snapchat story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can see who has viewed your Snapchat story on Snapchat. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video here. You want to simply open your Snapchat, and suppose you have added a story, right? You want to simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here you'll be headed into your profile. If you scroll down under my stories, you'll be able to see your story. Now in my case, I just added a story here just for this video, and you can see I have 0 views there. But if you just tap on it here, you'll be able to see the story, and if you tap on the 0 views option, the number of views that you get will be shown at the bottom left corner of your screen. If you just tap on that particular number that shows up there, the number of views that you have gotten, the screenshots and number and the users that have viewed your video or story, you'll be able to see it right here. So this way you can see who viewed your Snapchat story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.